Transposable element. What are the transposable element? Transposable element are the mobile DNA sequences that can change their position within genome. Before studying transposition in different organisms like bacteria, yeast, and maize, let us first think how a transposable element can transpose. Let us zoom out a transposable element. Here it has gene that code for transposase enzyme that transpose the transposable element. Like that. Here it code for the yellow showing transposase enzyme that help the transposase coding gene to transpose. Is the functional transposase coding gene are necessary for transposition? Here the highlighted genes are the transposase coding genes. Let us find whether these are necessary for the transposition. Here are the two types of transposable element. Transposable element A that have transposase coding gene and the transposable element B that have not transposase coding gene. What happens in this scenario is the transposable element B can transpose with the help of transposase formed by the transposable element A, like this. Here the yellow showing transposase enzyme help the transposable element B to transpose its position. Based upon the presence of transposase coding gene, we have two types of transposable element. The first one in the left is autonomous and in the right is non-autonomous. The autonomous that code for transposase and non-autonomous that doesn't code for transposase. The basic difference include between autonomous and non-autonomous are these. Like autonomous can transpose independently, however the non-autonomous depend upon a autonomous transposons. The autonomous have functional gene to code transposase, however non-autonomous doesn't have functional gene to code transposase. The autonomous can transform into non-autonomous by deletion of a functional gene. In the same way, the non-autonomous can be derived from autonomous by deletion of a functional gene. The example of non-autonomous included AC element in maize, SP element in maize, and the IS element in bacteria. The example of non-autonomous included the DS element in maize and DSPM element in maize. Let us see the mechanism of transposition. Based upon the mechanism of transposition, there are three types of transposons. These are the cut and paste transposons, replicative transposons, and the retrotransposons. In the cut and paste transposons, what happens is the transposons are basically cut by the enzyme transposase and paste to the another position within the genome. However, in the replicative transposons, the transposons first replicate and then go to the another position in genome. In the case of retrotransposons, the transposons first transcribed into an mRNA and then with the help of a reverse transcriptase they are transformed into the DNA and then change their position within genome. These are the basic difference between these three types of transposons. The cut and paste transposons are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotics. However, the replicative transposons only found in prokaryotic organisms. The retrotransposons only found in the eukaryotic organisms. The example including cut and paste transposons are IS element and composite transposons in bacteria, AC and DS element in maize, and P element in Drosophila. The replicative transposons examples included the TN3 element or the non-composite transposons in bacteria. Retrotransposons examples included the TY1 in yeast, Copia and Gypsy element in Drosophila. Transposable element in bacteria. There are three types of transposable element in bacteria. These are IS element, composite element, and non-composite element. The IS and composite element are the cut and paste transposons. However, the non-composite element are the replicative transposons. These are the cases we have described in the previous slide. Let us first study the IS element or the insertion sequences. IS element are the simplest type of transposons that contain the only gene that required for transposition. They do not contain genes that code for the unrelated product. Let us study the structure of a IS element. It includes the transposase coding gene that help it to transpose its position. It includes the terminal inverted repeats which flanked the transposase coding gene. We can see in the image that the left side's coding are the exact inverted of the right side coding, as it is showing AA, GA, GA, CAG. However, in the right side it is CT, GT, CT, CTT. The terminal inverted repeats are flanked by the short direct repeats. These are not the inverted but the same in the left or the right sides. Let us study which part of transposable element actually transpose. Here the terminal inverted repeats and the transposase coding genes are transposed. The short direct repeats does not transpose with the transposase coding gene and the terminal inverted repeats. Here is the examples which show how the short direct repeats are formed or the target site duplication are formed. In the upper image, the staggered cut are made with the transposase enzyme in the DNA. Then the transposase coding gene with the terminal inverted repeats transpose its position to the cut, and then these sites replicate and make the target site duplication. Example of IS element include IS1, that is the smallest of only 768 nucleotide, and the another example is composite transposons. Let us study about the second transposons in bacteria, that is composite transposons. The composite transposons include the 2IS element and the central antibiotic resistance gene. These genes code for the antibiotic resistance. Due to the presence of the 2IS element and the gene that code for antibiotic resistance, these are called the composite transposons. Example of the composite transposons: The example of the composite transposons included TN9, which consists of two IS1 element and the gene that code for chloramphenicol resistance. The TN5 consists of two IS50 element and the gene that code for kanamycin, bleomycin and streptomycin resistance. The last example is TN10 consists of two IS10 element and the gene that code for tetracycline resistance. Let us study about the non-composite transposons or the TN3 element, that is the last example or the last type of transposons in bacteria. The non-composite transposons does not contain IS element at the end, however contain terminal inverted repeats at the end. The basic structure of the composite transposons is the TNPA, which code for a transposase, the TNPR, which code for a resolvase or the repressor, and the BLA gene that code for the beta lactamase, which has resistance to the ampicillin. In the last, it have terminal inverted repeats. Transposable elements were first discovered in maize by Barbara McClintock. McClintock discovered AC and DC element in maize by notice the chromosomes instability. There was an allele on the C locus of chromosome 9. Since the C- was inhibitor of the coloration in endosperm of kernel, any kernel possessing this should be colorless. What McClintock does, it fertilizes the CC ears with the C- pollen, and what he get the CCC- genome in the endosperm of the maize. Due to the presence of C-, it should be colorless, but that doesn't happen. McClintock observed patches of color in some kernel. McClintock demonstrated that this was due to the chromosome breakage due to the AC or TS element that result in the deletion of C- allele. As it is shown in the diagram, the genotype after fertilization. Here, what happened is due to the presence of DS element, the C- allele from the chromosome is lost as a acentric fragment. Due to this, the coloration in some of the kernel appear. The DS element cannot transpose without AC or the activator, as we have seen in the autonomous and non-autonomous type of the transposons. This is the basic structure of the DS element. It includes of the 4, 5, 6, 3 nucleotide and the 11 nucleotide inverted repeats and the 8 nucleotides and the 8 nucleotide so direct repeats. There are the three types of the DS element. The first one is the internal sequence missing. What happened in the internal sequence missing example is that there are some sequences that code for a transposase are missing in DS element. And the second one is the aberrant DS element, in which the internal sequence unrelated to AC, means to say that it have the internal sequences but that does not code for the activator. And the third one is the double DS element, in which one DS inserted into the another DS, as you can see in the diagram. Transposable element in yeast. Yeast contain about 35 copies of transposable element called the Ty element. Ty element are the example of retrotransposons that we have studied in the previous slide. Why the Ty element or the retrotransposons are called the retrovirus-like element? Because they have similar structure like the retrovirus. Let us compare them. The Ty element contain Tya gene which are homologous to GAG gene of retrovirus which encode a structural protein. The Ty element also contain the Tyb gene which are homologous to Pol gene of retrovirus which encode for reverse transcription that necessary for the retrotransposons. The third gene in the retrovirus called the ENV gene which code for a protein component in viral envelope is absent in Ty element. Let us study the structure of Ty1 element in yeast. It contains about 5.9 kilobase pair of gene which include the TNPA gene, TNPR gene and the long terminal repeats of about 340 base pairs as in retrovirus. And these long terminal repeats are flanked by about 5 base pairs short direct repeats. Retrovirus also found in Drosophila. The example included the Copia and Gypsy element. Gypsy element are larger than the Copia element because they contain ENV gene that is absent in Ty1 and the Copia element. P element in Drosophila. A number of different types of transposable elements are found in Drosophila. P element are one of them. Most of the P element consist of about 2,900 base pair long, however size may vary, that include the transposase or the repressor coding gene which code for a transposase and a repressor. The repressor repress the transposition, the terminal inverted repeats and the short direct repeats. What is the role of the repressor? What repressor does is it control the hybrid dysgenesis. What is hybrid dysgenesis? Hybrid dysgenesis is the sudden appearance of numerous mutations or the chromosome aberration and the sterility in the offspring of cross between P plus male and the P negative female. What mean by P plus male and the P negative female? P plus male means the male having the transposons or the P element, and the P negative female means the female doesn't have the transposons or the P element. Here what the role of the repressor is to stop the transposition of P element. When a P plus male, the male having transposable element, is fertilized with P negative female, i.e. the female not having the transposable element, offspring will have hybrid dysgenesis or the chromosomes aberration because the female do not have repressor or the stop transposition, and transposition of the P element lead to hybrid dysgenesis. However, when a P plus male is fertilized with P plus female, the P plus females means the female having transposable element, the offspring will not have hybrid dysgenesis because the female have the repressor to stop the transposition, and the transposition of P element stop the hybrid dysgenesis. Genetic and evolutionary significance of transposition. Let us study how transposable element plays significant role in genetic evolution. Transposons as mutagens. Spontaneous mutations are often result of transposable element. Example included the mutant allele of white gene in Drosophila are due to transposition. We have studied the P element in the previous slides that result in hybrid dysgenesis. Advantage of using transposons as mutagens is that the gene that has been mutated by insertion of transposable element is tagged with a known sequence, and that can be used to isolate the gene from a large heterogeneous mixture of DNA by using a probe derived from a cloned version of transposons. Genetic transformation with transposons. The observation of transposition of TY3 element that transpose gene unrelated to transposition suggested that transposons can be used to transpose different kind of gene in a genome. Example included the genetically transformed mutant fly with DNA from the wild type fly in Drosophila. The RY mutant fly with the brown are transformed in RY plus wild type flies having red eyes.